Hello my dear student. Hello my dear students. Welcome back to our mathematics class. This is for class 4, chapter 5, subject mathematics. Children, in last class we started the new chapter, The Way the World Looks. In that we observed the top view, side view, back view of different objects and you done some activities based on the views also. In this class we are going to do some more problems related to this chapter. Why things look wide and big at our end but narrow and small from the other end. Children, here you have two pictures. Observe the given pictures clearly. We know things look different from different distances. In the first picture, one end of the railway track is looking wide and the other end is looking narrow and small. The same will happen in the second picture also. While observing the candles, from one end we can say that the candles are looking wide and big. From the other end we can say that those are narrow and small. Why this happens? This happens because things being observed from different distances. That means the side which is nearer to us looks wider and the side which is further to us looks narrow and smaller. Now look at this picture. Match two views of the same pose. Here one pose is given for us. In this pose, if you observe, the girl yoga pose is given from top view. So observe the picture clearly. By observing that the girl is stretching her right arm and the right leg to her right side and the left leg to her left side. Now from these four pictures we need to choose the correct answer. Observe the last picture once. Here in this picture the girl stretching her left arm. In the third picture also the girl stretching her left arm. So these two are wrong. This is also wrong and this is also wrong. In this picture the girl stretching her right arm and the first picture also the girl stretching her right arm. But in the second picture the girl kept both her legs. These are two different views of the same balls. In which photo are the balls upside down? Children, observe the photos. Both the photos are top views of the balls. So, in which picture you can see the balls are upside down? Yes. In second picture, we can see the balls are kept upside down. So, second is the correct answer. The park behind Gappus House. Children, do you remember the park behind Gappus House? Here is a bigger picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. Here in this park we have four gates. Gate A, Gate B, Gate C and Gate D. Let us see the first question. Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Either A or B or C or D. So, to find that, first we need to locate the sweet shop. Where is the sweet shop? Yes, here is the sweet shop. So, which gate is nearest to sweet shop? Very good. Gate A is nearest to the sweet shop. Next, which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Children, can you find where is Gappu's house? Very good. Here is Gappu's house. So, which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Excellent. Gate C is nearest to Gappu's house. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be your dash, left to right to front. Where is the green bench? Here is the green bench. If you enter from gate B, that green bench is on which side? Very good. Your left side. Bench is at your left side. Now, when Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? When Suhasini entered to the park, the flower bed is at her right. Suppose Suhasini entered from the gate D. Suppose think that. Then the flower bed is on which side? Yes, on her right side. So, Suhasini, the flower bed is right side of Suhasini when she entered from gate D. Now, look at the last question here. Which is these nearest to you if you enter from gate C? So, suppose where is gate C? Here is the gate C. If you enter from gate C, which is nearer to you? So, here we have basketball court, green bench, flower bed and seesaw. If you entered from gate C, which is nearest to you? Observe the picture and say it, ma. Yes, seesaw is nearest to you. If you enter from gate C, seesaw will be nearest to you. Very good, children. Let us move to the next one. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. This is what Ismail told to Srijata. From your house, reach the milk booth. Then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn. This is the second crossing. From here, she has to take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and take the first right turn. After about 100 meters, you will see a big park. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in the lane. Here, children observe the map once. Did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? Children, can you correct Ismail? Did Ismail go wrong, children? Yes. asked her to take right turn after crossing the bridge. But he has to instruct Srijata to take first left turn after crossing the bridge. So he made the mistake here. Instead of saying take left turn, he said take right turn. Show where Srijata will reach if she takes the route he told her. Where she will reach, ma'am? Srijata would reach opposite to Ismail's house. So this is opposite end to Ismail's house. Now write the correct directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. Let us start. Start from where we have to start? Start from Ismail's house. We have to start from Ismail's house. Here is Ismail's house. Start from here. Then here this is Ismail's house. From here take first right turn. Here this is the first right turn. Write the correct directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. Here is the Ismail's house. From here we have to start. So start from take first right turn. So take first right turn. After the bridge, take left turn. So like this you have to go. So next step, what is that? Take the second right turn. This is the first right turn and this is the second right turn, which is from Milk Booth. Now go straight. The red colored house is Srijata's house. Ghibli and the Big Box. Children, did you remember Ghibli, the ant in the Math Magic Book 3? Yes, I know you remember. Well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. Ghibli, it looked like this. That means Ghibli saw number 4 on the box. Ghibli moved across and turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. What she find on the other side? She saw another number which is nothing but 5 on the other side of the box. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? Then she climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. Look like this. She saw number 1 on that box. Children, do you have any guess? What is that box? Yes, that is a dice, which is nothing but a cube. Children, you know that cube is a 3-dimensional shape, that which is nothing but 3D shape. Here is the cube. It has 6 faces. How many edges, ma? Yes, 12 edges and 8 corners. How to draw a cube? Children, you already learned this in Chapter 1, Building with Bricks. Just have a look how to draw a cube here. Cube means cube is nothing but dice. Interesting fact about dice. Children, you know that dice has 6 faces. The numbers on the opposite faces of a dice always add up to 7. Let's see. Here on this face we have 1 and the opposite face we have 6. We know that 1 plus 6 equals to 7. So side faces 2 plus 5 we have 7. And front and back faces. On back face you have 3 and on front face of the dice you have 4. 4 plus 3 you have 7. So isn't it interesting? Yes. So the numbers on the opposite sides of a dice always add up to 7. Trace this on a thick paper, cut it accordingly to the edges and fold them. You will get a dice. Children, as we know, the numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Box means what? Yes, the dice. Now here we have some questions. Let us answer those questions. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Here we have 5. What is the number opposite to 5? How we will find? Here we have 5. 5 added to some number equals to 7. So, which number we should add 5 to get 7? Yes, it is 2. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So, the number opposite to 5 is 2. Next, in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? At the top we have 1. 1 plus the other number we should find, which is if we add 1 to that number we need to get 7. So which number it is? 6 plus 1, we know that clearly, 7. So the number at the bottom is 6. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? So if she turns left from 5, she will get the number opposite to 4. So what is the number opposite to 4? Yes, 4 plus 3 equals to 7. That means the number opposite to 4 is 3. So if Ghibli turns left from 5, it can see 3, the number 3. Now, what will this box look like if you open up? Mark the correct pictures. Children, let us see the option D. Here we have 5 plus 2, 7, very good. And 6 plus 3 where we are getting 9, which is more than 7. So this option is wrong. Now coming to C, 6 plus 2, 8, which is more than 7. So this one also wrong. Here 6 plus 5 we have 11. Again this option also wrong. So now let us check about A. 5 plus 2 we will get 7. 4 plus 3 7. 6 plus 1 7. So this is the correct answer. If the box is open, it will look like this. Children, this is called layout of dice. So draw the shape like this on a thick paper, cut it out and color the different faces in different colors. Can you use this box to play a game? Can anyone say, ma? This box is nothing but a dice. So this dice, in which games we will use this dice? As in snakes and ladders. Very good. Ludo, etc.